Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another and a new video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can completely remove the Unc0ver if you want to replace that jailbreak with the new jailbreak once the jailbreak will be dropped. And I'm talking here about the CheckRa1n Jailbreak. So you might know about the Unc0ver. The Unc0ver will be came with Cydia and different kind of files. Comes with the Cydia install or sources install, and most the file will be different. It wasn't like the CheckRa1n Jailbreak. If we talking about the Unc0ver Jailbreak, the Unc0ver is the semi-untethered jailbreak, but the CheckRa1n will be different. The CheckRa1n will be semi-tethered jailbreak. So if you want to replace the Unc0ver, and you might want to update your device to download or get the new jailbreak, which is I'm talking about the CheckRa1n. You need to remove the, doesn't matter if it's gonna be the Unc0ver or the CheckRa1n jailbreak. So you need to remove that completely from your iDevice. You don't have to scare about it because you don't want to miss anything with your firmware or the iOS that you run in your iDevice. The only file that will be removed or uninstalled from your iDevice will be the files comes with CheckRa1n or the Unc0ver. Anyway, I don't want to waste your time. Let's go ahead and jump and showing you guys how that will be work. So in my case here, I have the Unc0ver. I'm running Unc0ver here on my iDevice, and let me show you guys right now if I want to go ahead right now and show you what kind of version that I'm running right now currently on my iDevice. Let me go to about here to see which one, so you guys can take a look right now here. This is the 12.1.1. So let me go ahead right now. So if you remove the Unc0ver application from your iDevice, go ahead and download that application once again, because you need to uninstall or remove all the files using that application. So once you download the application, go ahead and tap on it. This is will be take you inside the Unc0ver. You will be see that gear at the top. Go ahead and tap on it. That will be bring the most settings that comes with the Unc0ver jailbreak. There is one thing that I want to mention about it before I go and showing you guys the process how is that will be work. If you running Unc0ver in your jailbroken device and you want to remove the Unc0ver from your iDevice, and once you complete removing or install everything from your iDevice and you want to update your device, you will be see a message says enable to update your device. So this is one of the things that I'm about to show you. So let me just show you guys how that will be work. So you guys can take a look right now here that the Unc0ver, even the CheckRa1n will became with the both the disable update. So if you remove your Unc0ver or the CheckRa1n update and you want to update your device, you will be see that pop-up message. As I told you guys, call the enable to update your device. You need to download the application one more time, and you need to make sure to untoggle that the disable update. So this is one of the things that I want to mention about it. You need to keep the disable update untoggle. Let me show you guys right now how you completely remove the Unc0ver from your iDevice. So here you have the magic, the restore root FS. You need to toggle that right there. So once you toggle that right now here, this is how is the magic will be happen. Tap on done here, and instead of jailbreaking, you will be see restoring. So once you restore the root FS, that will be remove all the files, Cydia, every single thing. Once you jailbreak from the first time, you will be find that disappeared from your iDevice. So this is what you need to do right now. Tap on restore. So it's going to be the same process, just like the time that you start the jailbreak. You will be wait a little bit until the everything will be complete, and once you're done, you will be find your device without Cydia. On the background here, nothing. There is no files right now attached to any kind of like jailbreak or something like that. If I want to go ahead right now, go back into my general and about, you can take a look that still I'm running the same firmware or the same iOS version, the 12.1.1. This is how you can remove the jailbreak from your iDevice. The last thing is tap and hold and delete that Unc0ver application from your device. That's it. Your device right now is not jailbroken. You can go ahead if you want to, just like the step that I show you. If you want to update your device, if you want to run the CheckRa1n with one of the iOS 13 version, you can do that right now from now on once the jailbreak will be dropped. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys see that video will be useful. If you guys like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.